So recently I did a short form video showing you guys how I get to this point with my wash and go. And I got a couple questions about how it will look when it dries. So I wanted to show you guys what I do after my wash and go dries. Now this is what my hair looks like immediately after getting away from under the hooded dryer. I was under there for about 20 minutes. It doesn't take very long to dry. And I do want to mention that I use my Max Hold Styling Jelly in order to get to this point. It's very important that you use a really good solid holding gel so that you can keep your curls as you blow dry. Now the key to this is that my roots are only about 85% dry. They're not fully dry, so they will stretch easily. The ends of my hair are nice and dry. You never want to disturb your hair when it's not set in place, because how you set it is how you get it. So if you let your ends dry and then just stretch out your roots are going to stretch out nicely, but your ends will remain defined and held in place. Now this is the important part. When you're stretching out your hair, you want to keep in mind the way that you want your hair to be shaped. How your hair frames your face determines whether or not you're going to have a good or bad hair day. And this is honestly my favorite part. You can really fake a curly cut if you stretch out your hair the right way. You don't necessarily have to have that cut. You can just stretch it out to your liking. I think the most important part is that you don't stretch out too much the part that is at the nape of your neck and give yourself a tail in the back. You want to kind of keep that part short and just stretch everything above and around it. Now, obviously, that's just my preference, but do whatever you like. I personally like to mostly focus on this bang area and give myself a nice framing around my face, and then just make it a little bit bigger in the back. I wasn't trying to push this as far as it would go because I didn't want to create too much frizz, but you can push this as far as you want. If you want to keep a little bit more definition, then don't stretch it out too much. But if you don't mind a little bit of frizz, then you can kind of go hard on the stretching. Now, if you've reached it to this point in the video and you are liking what you see so far and you like the way that my curls are defined, I want to encourage you to go over to my website and check out this Max Hold Styling Jelly so that you can get the same results. Also, check out the rest of the products while you're there. I have an entire line of natural hair care products that are specifically formulated for us with curly, wavy, kinky, coily hair, just textured hair in general. And don't forget to use the code YouTube15. That'll get you 15% off of your first order, just as a thank you for watching my videos as well as checking out my products and making a purchase. Next time I'm going to be doing some mini braids, so make sure you subscribe so that you can be notified when I post that video. All right, see you guys in the next one.